Let's start with the most fundamental requirement. You need a device with internet access. That's it. Seriously. Whether it's your trusty laptop, your sleek tablet, or even your smartphone, as long as you can connect to the internet, you're already halfway there. Trello is a cloud-based application, meaning all your data is stored online. This means you can access your boards from anywhere, at any time, on any device. Now, let's talk about the specific devices. Computers. Trello works flawlessly on both Windows and Mac OS systems. You don't need a high-end, gaming-level machine. Even a basic laptop or desktop with a stable internet connection will suffice. The browser is your gateway. Trello runs smoothly on popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Just head over to Trello.com, and you're good to go. Mobile devices. Trello has dedicated apps for both Android and iOS devices. This is where the magic of portability truly shines. You can manage your tasks, collaborate with your team, and stay on top of your projects while you're on the go. The apps are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to create boards, add cards, assign tasks, and even attach files directly from your phone or tablet. Operating systems. As mentioned, Trello is platform agnostic. Whether you're a Windows enthusiast, an Apple devotee, or an Android aficionado, Trello has you covered. The web version ensures compatibility across various operating systems, while the dedicated apps provide a seamless experience on mobile platforms. Internet connection. This is the lifeline of Trello. A stable and reliable internet connection is crucial for optimal performance. While Trello can function with a slower connection, you might experience delays in loading boards or syncing changes. For the smoothest experience, a broadband connection is recommended. Now, let's delve into the software requirements. The good news is there are virtually none. Trello is primarily a web-based application, which means you don't need to install any heavy software on your computer. All you need is a modern web browser. Web browsers. Trello recommends using the latest versions of popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. These browsers are regularly updated to ensure compatibility with modern web technologies, providing a smooth and secure experience. Trello apps. While the web version is sufficient for most users, the Trello apps for mobile devices offer enhanced features and a more streamlined experience. These apps are available for free on the App Store and Google Play Store. Simply download and install the app, and you're ready to go. Account requirements. To use Trello, you need to create an Atlassian account. This account gives you access to Trello and other Atlassian products. Signing up is free and straightforward. You can use your email address or sign in with your Google or Microsoft account. Skill requirements. This is where many people hesitate. They think Trello is too complex or requires technical expertise. But the truth is, Trello is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. You don't need to be a project management expert or a tech guru to use it effectively. Basic computer literacy. Familiarity with basic computer operations, such as navigating websites, using a keyboard and mouse, and managing files, is all you need. If you can send an email or browse the internet, you can use Trello. Understanding of project management basics, optional while not mandatory. A basic understanding of project management principles can help you leverage Trello's features more effectively. Concepts like task management, prioritization, and collaboration can enhance your experience. Willingness to learn. Like any new tool, Trello has a learning curve. However, the interface is designed to be intuitive, and there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. Trello's website offers tutorials, guides, and a comprehensive help center. Collaboration requirements. Trello is a powerful collaboration tool, allowing teams to work together seamlessly. To fully utilize its collaborative features, you'll need team members. Trello is designed for teams of all sizes, from small groups to large organizations. You can invite team members to your boards and collaborate on projects in real time. Communication tools. While Trello has built-in commenting and notification features, integrating it with other communication tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Google Workspace can enhance collaboration. Clear communication. Effective communication is essential for successful collaboration. Clearly defined tasks, communicate deadlines, and provide feedback to ensure everyone is on the same page. Use case-specific requirements. Depending on how you plan to use Trello, you might have specific requirements. Personal productivity. For personal productivity, you might want to customize your boards with lists and labels that reflect your workflow. You might also want to integrate Trello with your calendar or to-do list app. Project management. For project management, you might want to use Trello's power-ups to add advanced features like Gantt charts, time tracking, and reporting. Team collaboration. For team collaboration, you might want to create team boards, assign tasks to team members, and use Trello's commenting and notification features to stay updated on progress. Visual requirements. Trello is a visual tool, relying on boards, lists, and cards to organize information. While there are no specific visual requirements, a basic understanding of visual organization can be helpful. Understanding of Kanban. Trello is based on the Kanban methodology, which uses visual boards to track the progress of tasks. Familiarity with Kanban principles can help you optimize your Trello workflow. Customization. Trello allows you to customize your boards with backgrounds, labels, and custom fields. This allows you to create a visual workspace that suits your preferences. Accessibility requirements. Trello is committed to accessibility and provides features to ensure that everyone can use the platform. Keyboard navigation. Trello supports keyboard navigation, allowing users to navigate boards and cards using keyboard shortcuts. Screen reader compatibility. Trello is compatible with screen readers, allowing visually impaired users to access and use the platform. High contrast mode. Trello offers a high contrast mode for users with visual impairments. Language requirements. Trello is available in multiple languages, making it accessible to users around the world. You can change the language settings in your account preferences. No hidden costs. Trello offers a free plan that provides access to most of its core features. This makes it an accessible tool for individuals and small teams. While there are paid plans that offer advanced features, the free plan is sufficient for most users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.